I got the viral Wavy Talk brush because it was back in stock, so let's try it. This is what we're working with here. My hair was straight, and then I went outside in the snow, so y'all know that I like to try and do the most honest and real reviews. I've seen so many videos about this brush online, and the results are always gorgeous, but I never really understood how. So I did my research today, guys, and I think I know how, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how you get the nice hair that everyone has. Okay, let's do it. So I've got a section of my hair here, and obviously, like, it's, again, I straightened it, but then went in the snow, so whatever. You're gonna take your piece of hair and wrap it around the barrel, and you're gonna bring it down just a little bit, and then you're gonna turn the iron, because do you see what you're doing there? You're creating, essentially, that, what's the word I'm looking for? Like that blowout, like volume type of thing, right? Then you bring it down a little bit more, and you're gonna turn it back here, and you're kind of like rolling it back up towards your face. And I'm gonna go one more time this way, and then at the bottom, you're just kind of rolling it back on itself. Look at this. I did that. If I can do it, you can too. I wonder what happens if you take a bigger section, because realistically, for my fellow gals that have a lot of hair, like if you want to get it done quicker, like with anything, straightening, curling, like I want to like test it out and see. So let's see how this works with like a big chunk of my hair. Twist it. Oh, my little baby hairs are getting in the way. Turning it again. Oh, my hair is so frizzy on the bottom. That's the snow for you, though. I think I like it better with the big pieces. I look like a model. Okay, well, like, maybe not, but, like, you know what I mean. This is the most important piece, because this is, like, the front piece of my hair. Twist. And so for my hair length, clearly, like, 4 rotations of the brush is what works. Obviously, if you wanted to add in like some volumizing spray or texture spray, that would look great. But yeah, for me, I'm just going to bed and I don't have any of that. So yeah, I'm really not that cool. I will be sure to link the brush down below here in the TikTok shop while it is still in stock. And if you have any questions about the brush, let me know.